Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explain how to program using the structured text SD language in the Kinco BuilderPro programming and configuration software. First, create a program with the programming language set to STD. After the settings are completed, click OK. In the commonly used statements of SD programming, the assignment symbol is equals, and a semicolon should be added at the end of each statement. Note that all symbols should be in English. When programming, you can use the shortcuts above to add commonly used statements with one click. Also, after typing keywords in the program, there will be intelligent prompts. Clicking on them will quickly complete the statements. Next, let's demonstrate how to write an if conditional statement. First, add the conditional variable and the output variable. Add the judgment condition after if. When the result of the judgment condition is true, execute the statement after then, and end with end if at last. Then, let's demonstrate how to write a for loop statement. The loop index variable I of the for loop needs to be added to the variable table by yourself and given an initial value. The value after to is the loop termination condition. When the value of I meets the value of the loop condition, the loop ends. The value after by represents the operation performed on the value of I after each loop. For example, in the current writing, the starting value of I is 0, and it increments by 1 after each loop. The loop ends when I reaches 10. The statement after do is executed only once in each loop. When you need to perform a reverse assignment, simply add not in front of the normal assignment condition. If you need to use a function block, you can double-click to add it in the function block column on the right, or directly drag it into the program for use. Besides using double slashes to edit comments, there is another way to edit comments, which is by using. Next, let's actually demonstrate how to write a simple SD program. That is, when the start button is pressed, perform a loop assignment once, and after the assignment is completed, the output status light is set to true. The first step, create an if statement with the judgment condition being start button. The second step, add a for loop statement with the action of performing an assignment. The third step, after the loop statement, assign a value to the output status and bind the variable status light. The fourth step, when the start button is disconnected, clear all data to 0 and set the status light to false. Now, with online monitoring, you can see the execution effect of the program when operating the start button. That's all for this video.